Hello everyone, this is Jayansh and today I'm going to make a power button on Logan the Platter with my sister.
Hello everyone, I'm Ryan's sister Ayushi.
You can find power buttons on CPUs.
So let's get started.
Okay, first I will type set width 50. Then I will type circle, then 100.
Okay, so what is the circle? Why have you written this?
This turtle draws a circle.
Okay, and this 100 is
the number which you want to increase or decrease.
Okay, so this will set the width of the circle.
Yes. No. The first one will set the width.
Okay.
Then I will type FD, that means forward. Then 145. Now let's animate it.
Okay. Wow, that's great. But
Okay.
Riyaj, do you know this is kind of boring, so can you add a color in it?
Yeah, sure. I can add it. First we'll type set pen color 100. Then we will add its syntax. Then what color do you want?
Let's say green.
Okay, green. Let's animate.
Wow. It's good, but Riyansh, now I have one thought. That CPUs are not green color, they are black color. So let's remove this green.
Okay, let's remove it. You can simply type black or I'm removing it.
Okay, let's animate it.
Okay guys, we are ending the video here. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe and share.
So guys, if you want to watch our other videos too, then don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Yes. Bye everyone.
Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm saying it again. Bye.
Bye bye.